Welcome back to USA Motors. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of one of the most iconic SUVs in the market, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser V8. This vehicle has a long history of delivering rugged performance, luxury, and off-road capability. Let's see how the 2025 version stacks up, starting with the exterior. The Land Cruiser has always had a commanding presence, and the 2025 model is no different. It maintains its boxy silhouette, but Toyota has given it some subtle modern tweaks that make it look fresh while retaining its rugged appeal. The front grille is massive, featuring chrome accents that emphasize its bold stance. The LED headlights are sharper and more aggressive compared to previous models, giving the front end a much sleeker, yet powerful appearance. Toyota's attention to detail is noticeable with features like the integrated fog lights and a redesigned bumper that looks both muscular and refined. Moving to the side, the flared wheel arches and 20-inch alloy wheels enhance its off-road ready look. The chrome trim on the windows and door handles adds a touch of luxury without overdoing it. There's also a roof rack, giving it a practical edge, which is essential for those long adventures. Around the back, the taillights are updated with LED elements, and the overall design feels cohesive with the rest of the vehicle. A spoiler at the top of the rear window completes the look, subtly enhancing its aerodynamics while maintaining its classic design. Now let's step inside the 2025 Land Cruiser V8, where Toyota has really pushed the boundaries of luxury and technology. The first thing you'll notice is how spacious the cabin feels. The leather seats are not only plush but also ventilated and heated, ensuring a comfortable ride no matter the conditions. The driver's seat offers multiple power adjustments, making it easy to find the perfect driving position. The dashboard is dominated by a 12.3-inch touchscreen that's smooth and intuitive to use. It supports all the modern conveniences like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Beneath the touchscreen, you'll find controls for the dual-zone climate control, which lets the driver and passengers set their preferred temperatures individually. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather with a mix of wooden accents, giving it a premium feel that matches the rest of the cabin. The center console is well laid out, with a wireless charging pad, plenty of storage space, and cup holders that can be heated or cooled. The rear seats are just as comfortable as the front, with ample legroom and even a rear entertainment system for those long drives. There's also a 3-row option, meaning this SUV can comfortably seat up to 7 passengers. Now, let's talk about what really sets the Land Cruiser apart, its performance. Under the hood, the 2025 model comes with a 5.7-liter V8 engine that produces an impressive 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. This is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and efficiently. While the Land Cruiser is known for its off-road prowess, it doesn't compromise on on-road comfort. The suspension absorbs bumps with ease, and even at high speeds, the ride remains stable and composed. When it comes to off-roading, the Land Cruiser V8 truly shines. With its full-time 4-wheel drive system, locking differentials, and Toyota's kinetic dynamic suspension system, this SUV can handle the toughest terrains with ease. Whether you're climbing rocky trails, fording streams, or tackling sandy dunes, the Land Cruiser remains in control. There's also a multi-terrain select feature, which adjusts the vehicle's settings based on the surface you're driving on, making it versatile in every sense. Fuel efficiency is not a strong suit for the Land Cruiser, but that's to be expected from a V8 engine. It averages around 13 mpg in the city and 17 mpg on the highway, but this vehicle is more about performance than economy. Finally, let's touch on pricing. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser V8 starts at around $85,000, but if you go for the fully loaded version with all the bells and whistles, you're looking at closer to $100,000. It's not a cheap SUV, but considering its blend of luxury, off-road capability, and reliability, it's a worthy investment for those who need a vehicle that can do it all. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser V8. It's a perfect combination of rugged capability, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. If you're in the market for an SUV that can tackle any adventure while keeping you comfortable and connected, the Land Cruiser should be at the top of your list. Thanks for tuning into USA Motors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.